Hay mga kaaral, napansin mo ba na merong mga English nouns na although they refer to single entities, ay lagi silang plural and they require plural verbs, gaya ng mga gamit sa bahay na tongs, pliers, scissors, and even glasses or spectacles. Or mga articles of dress, gaya ng shorts, trousers, pants, jeans, leggings, and breeches. Bakit ba lagi silang plural? Yan ay dahil they are made up of two prominent and identical parts. Kaya in our perceptions, they are multiplex or they have more than one elements. Pero kapag ang article of dress, kahit merong dalawang identical parts pero hindi naman prominent, tulad ng mga manggas or sleeves at ating mga damit, nagiging regular or normal count nouns lamang ang turing sa kanila. So, we say shirt. Kapag marami, that's the time we say shirts. So, sana natuto kayo muli sa video ng ito. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.